Okay, Ryan. Shh.
Still on time.
It's okay. It's all part of it.
It's all part of the frog.
It's part of the grid.
Many of you wake up on Christmas morning to your stocking stuffed, the smell of roast beef is in the air, and there are presents under your Christmas tree. But what you don't know is that weeks before the celebration, the North Pole is trying to get ready for the holiday. First there was a reindeer. I can't fly!
Oh, that's crazy, dancer. All reindeer can fly.
But I can fly! Can't do it!
You're probably just not doing it right. Yeah, all you have to do is jump high and just let that wind carry you away.
I couldn't watch you!
Now you try.
Wow, that was amazing. Okay, let's see.
And then there were the elves.
Jango.
You're not even putting the toys properly.
How am I supposed to do this?
All you have to do is
You have to snap the toys together. Ready?
ah, yes, yes.
Now you can do it.
That wasn't bad enough. There was Santa and Mrs. Claus to think about.
Ready to get ready, dear?
Not this year.
Oh no, dear. You're so chubby. That's why you have to energy. Don't work out. Think of the children, dear.
And there was still one more problem. It was Christmas Eve.
Everybody, get together, make the sleigh. Let's go. Sleigh!
Wait, stop. I can't keep the star on top of the Christmas tree.
Oh no, there might not be a Christmas after all.
Nonsense! This is my first Christmas! I just learned how to fly all those other times I've been begging it! I'll do it myself!
Yay! I guess there will be a Christmas after all. Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas!